Hey guys, it's Madison, and today I am just getting all of Marlo's laundry that we have so far just washed and folded and put up. So I figured I'd just turn on the camera and document some of it because it has been busy around this household lately, just with Christmas and trying to get everything decorated and getting all of her nursery shipments in. And so I just figured I would put this on camera while I'm thinking of it, while I'm doing it. Yeah, so just watch me start to get little girl's nursery ready. All right. So I just folded all of these clothes. They're mostly onesies and long sleeve onesies, sleepers, gowns, little shorts and pants, leggings over there. And then I hung up anything that was like sets or dresses, little jackets, rompers, stuff like that. And I am about to get ready to do a different load of 3 to 6 months. Okay, so now I just kind of wanted to show you the stuff that we've gotten so far for the nursery that is going to be going in here, so I'll show you now. Okay, so here's kind of like the scope of the room, but biggest thing we've gotten so far is the recliner and swivel chair, and it's a rocker too, so really love it. You're probably wondering what those are. I'm trying to decide if I want to put wallpaper on the wall, and these are the two that I'm choosing between. I'm kind of leaning towards this one just because it is like, I don't know, it's different and funky and girly. And then this one I feel like will just kind of like blend into the room too much if I use it. But I don't know. Still making up my mind. Here is a mini fridge that I got for my husband like 2 years ago for Christmas that we're probably just going to keep in here for snacks and milk and whatnot. I have diapers that my sister-in-law gave me that her little baby just grew out of. And then all of these are clothes that I still need to wash. Got a pillow. This is stuff from the gender reveal that we received. So it's lots of cute little things that I still need to go through and wash, like little photo frames, baby blanket. Those are all cards. Some hair bows, little shoes, oopsie. Some socks, little carrier. Photo frames that I eventually want to put up in here, lamp, and then that is actually her crib and mattress that we still need to put together. So I think me and my husband are going to do that together. And then here's all of the little things that I've hung so far. I need to clear out my husband's stuff in there so that I can put her stuff in there. And then we also have this little wall hanging that I got from Target. That was like one of my very first purchases whenever I found out I was pregnant. And then my sister-in-law also got me this cute little sign that we'll put on the outside of our door. But yeah, we've got a lot to do. Okay, so yeah, a month went by of me really not doing anything. Christmas kind of took all my energy away from me, but this is what the nursery looked like as of January. You can see that I did go ahead and build her crib and set up a few of her little larger items of furniture, so that did get done. And then on this night, we actually got this piece of furniture in. It's like a changing table dresser, but I think we're just going to use it for any of her non-essential everyday stuff, so like her bath towels and any extra swaddles that we may have. And as you can see, I'm just trying to get stuff more organized throughout the room, putting her diapers in her closet and moving that little toy storage piece of furniture that you saw earlier in the video, trying to find a good spot for it. And then here I am just getting all of the stuff that I'm gonna need postpartum. So like refillable diaper pail bags, all of my Freedom Mom postpartum kit necessities, and then just like freezer bags for breast milk, and some, I think I put my Haakaa in here and all of my like nipple cream and all that fun stuff. So that's just what I'm doing here. Then shortly after this, I think I go ahead and call it a night. And if you guys are still sticking around and watching, I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and comment below if you guys are in your nesting period too. I'm super curious to see how many other mamas are out there just trying to put the nursery together last minute like me.